Maruti Suzuki's brand new SUV, the Victoris, has set a near-perfect benchmark in Bharat NCAP testing. The results are out and they are impressive enough to turn heads across the auto industry. The Victoris scored 31.66 out of 32 points in Adult Occupant Protection, a performance that places it among the very best ever tested under Bharat NCAP. For Child Occupant Protection, the SUV didn't hold back either, achieving 43 out of 49 points, thanks to perfect results in dynamic testing and child seat installation. In fact, the Victoris excelled across categories. It achieved 15.66 out of 16 points in the frontal offset crash test and a flawless 16 out of 16 in the side impact test. Only in specific pole impact assessments did it record marginal ratings, otherwise it was rated good throughout. Now, what makes this SUV stand out is that Maruti has packed it in with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, seat belt pretensioners, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and pedestrian protection systems, all as standard across every variant. That means no matter which Victoris you buy, safety is built in. Let's put things into perspective. The Mahindra XEV 9e was the first to achieve a perfect 32 out of 32 in adult safety. The Harrier EV also secured full marks, but when compared with Maruti's own lineup, the Victoris really raises the bar. The Dzire managed 29.46 points, while the popular Baleno was at 26.52 points. Even the Tata Nexon, often praised as India's safety leader, scored 29.41 points, which the Victoris comfortably surpasses. Behind these numbers is robust engineering. The Victoris uses high-strength steel, carefully designed crumple zones, and advanced electronic safety aids to protect passengers from all angles. So, is this Maruti's safest SUV ever? Well, the numbers suggest a strong yes.